I've got a new Kellofaplan seasonal box on my desk and I can't wait to check it out. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it is time for another Kellofafan seasonal box. This box releases on August the 8th, and I will tell you, her boxes tend to go very fast. So August the 8th, 10 a.m. Central Time, that's 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This box will go on sale, so you're going to want to set an alarm because these do tend to sell out pretty quickly because they're full of such great seasonal items, and I cannot wait to dive into this box. So in this video, we're going to dive in. We're going to see everything that's in the box and talk through it, flip through it, do all the things. Let's go. Now, first of all, am I the only one that saves these boxes? They are so helpful for organizing all kinds of things. It's one of those, you know, when you get older and it's just a good box. This is just a good box. Definitely one you're going to want to keep. There are a ton of good, you guys. I'm like sneak peeking that. I can't even. Okay. So these tend to be seasonal boxes, all kind of revolving around a theme. I believe this one is going to be gratitude. We have all the pumpkins and fall feels. Look at how cute this little pouch is in the sage green gingham. Perfect for fall. And then this little piece, this is a little acrylic piece. It is a washi tape cutter. People have asked me, how do you, like, this is how you can cut and trim washi tape really easily. Love that. All fall themed. It's just nice to have all the goodies like that all match. I think this has a little, yep, just heads up, there's a little clear plastic piece over this. You pull it off and now it's like much prettier and reflective. Love. I just like having all the little accessories, you know, like giving your planner a little update, a little once over to make it feel a little bit more special. Then we have some washi. It's 6 rolls of washi, and they're all going to be in the same kind of theme and feel that the stickers are in. So 6 washis. Let me swatch them out for you really fast so we can see them a little bit more clearly. All right, so here's a look at all the washis. I actually really dig this one right here because you have that white in the middle. It kind of melts into the paper. And so it's just these cool blocks. I love that. And then I really like these pumpkins right here. I think they are absolutely beautiful, but 6 washis that will coordinate perfectly with everything else in the box. All right, so also in this box, we have a few other items. A beautiful pen. Love the sparkles. Love the white. Looks like you, oh, there it is. This is the way you open the pen. All right, absolutely gorgeous. Has a nice weight to it as well. Always great to have a good pen on hand. We have, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so much good stuff. So many good things. Okay, let's do, I don't know what to do first. I can't not talk about it anymore. Look at this gorgeous cover in a beautiful autumn orange. This is everything. I am beyond excited, y'all. The box is worth it for the cover. This is so stinking beautiful. It's just a beautiful orange. It's not like ink, like it's just a beautiful fall orange. And I love her snap-in covers. It is fantastic. I'm so excited about that. Okay, then I want to check out what this is because I'm wondering if it's a notebook or a gratitude book. So you have the super cute truck with the pumpkins in the back. Love the sage green. How beautiful will this be? It will be gorgeous. Open it up. Love the sunflowers and sunflowers. So I'm guessing this is gratitude. Let's check it out. Here's the first divider. It says, hello, pumpkin. A month of gratitude. Each day, write about something you are grateful for that day. Here's your look at your month. And then, yes, this is gratitude. So you have a daily affirmation. Today, I am thankful for. Write something about, write about something that made you smile today. Write about someone you're grateful for today. Write about one small thing you often take for granted. Describe a moment today that brought you joy. Write about a simple pleasure you're thankful for. Write about something in nature that makes you grateful. And write about a challenge that has helped you to grow. So it's like a little tidbit of journaling, which is awesome. And it looks like different prompts throughout the month, which is fantastic. I absolutely love this. Beautiful, beautiful. And then a month of kindness. Each day write something kind you did for someone else. So it starts out with gratitude and ends with kindness. That is one full month. And I do believe that it continues. And then we repeat the prompts. So you have 1, 2 months, 3 months, and 4 months of gratitude. Perfect for journaling throughout the fall. I'm a little bit obsessed. Also, you have to go along with that are some new dashboards. So these are printed dashboards on a nice plastic. You have the beautiful sunflowers and pumpkins printed on them. You could use them in this notebook to denote the day you're on, or you can pop these into your regular planner to use as well. They're beautiful. They're good quality. I think what Kellofaplan does really well is she has these elements and they're really nice quality, which is so nice to be able to have in your planner. So I love that. And then also it includes tab labels. So you can use these for, really you can use them for anything, but you can use these to label your different dashboards however you need it. Love that. And then of course, would it really be a Kellofaplan box if there weren't a sticker book? And this one is called Fall Gratitude. Yes, please. Fall Gratitude. Oh, this right here for it. This is clear sticker paper. Unusual because we don't see functional boxes right at the beginning. We'll see if we see them later on. Mixing in the teals, y'all. This color scheme and the hay in the background is super special. That is so pretty. I love it. Few little elements. That is super cute. Sweater weather. Yes, these girls living their best lives. Oh, I love that so much. This is a really pretty sticker book. Yes, same girls with blue mixed in now. How cute are they? Pumpkin spice latte. Here's functional stickers. Love that. Lots of bullet points. Wonderful. You get into a little bit bigger. So cute. Monthly. I love it. That's adorable. Love. Beautiful. All the functional stickers you can need. These will work in your gratitude journal as well. Just a heads up on that. Then you have the day or the months. This is great because you can use these to date your journal, which I might be doing here in a second. Oh, it's so pretty. These are great affirmations. I am enough. I'm good. There's room at the table for me. I practice gratitude for all I have. My heart knows its way. My body is beautiful in this moment. I can be soft in my heart and firm in my boundaries. These are fantastic. And then gratitude. These are so good. I love it. Interrupt anxiety with gratitude. And then numbers for dating as well. That is fantastic. What a good box. I can't even with the cover. You guys already know that. I'm freaking out. But I also love all of the other goodies. All of this is included in the box. I think I'm going to do a little setup. I think I want to set up my gratitude journal. So we're going to do that here in a second. If you want to stick around, just a reminder, this box releases August the 8th, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do have an affiliate link. It helps me out so much when you are able to click that link, shop that link. You can click it and bookmark it. That will work as well. But thank you in advance for shopping that link. If you want to stick around and see how I'm going to set up this gratitude journal, let's do it. This is totally the type of journal that is not going to take a ton of decorating. So that's good news. That means you can use the stickers in this journal and in your planner. Of course, I'm going to start out with this gorgeous cover. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it on this or put it on my regular catch-all planner, but it looks very cute combined with this particular cover. The orange and the sage green together are chef's kiss. Absolutely beautiful. So let's add the orange cover and then just a quick setup. So I'm going to start this in the month of September. I think any of the Burr months are a fantastic time to document gratitude. Truthfully, you can document gratitude anytime, but I feel like things get a little cozier in the fall and we just get a little bit more reflective in the fall. So I'm going to start out with dating this for the month of September. Here's my thoughts. I used to do a picture a day and I would print them off with my little tiny photo printer and I would love to do that again. Yes, are these very small little squares? They certainly are, but it's just a simple picture of something that happened that day or something you noticed that day, maybe on a walk, something that made you happy that day. I think it would be a fun discipline to do throughout the fall to document those pictures. Do I document every day? No, but I take the picture every day, print them all off on the weekends and fill in. So I think that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and date this for September and I'm going to date all of the weeks since I plan on doing this September, October, and November for sure. I'll go through the 28th and then we will flip it over for the next month to a new divider. So I'm just going to go ahead and date it for September. I feel like if I'm dating it, I'm making that commitment and I'm ready to get going on this. Now let me show you how you can incorporate just a little bit of decor into your gratitude journal. On this page, I'm going to start with just a fun corner sticker. I love this first set in this book. Absolutely beautiful and something that I definitely want to use in my catch-all planner, but let's have a hint of it right here. We'll add a little sticker here in the corner, maybe a decorative sticker on one of the open boxes like you see here, and then try taking that washi tape. So many times we put it all the way at the edge, which you'll see me do here in a bit, but I'm going to use it to make a little header. And here's the washi tape cutter. It just helps you trim it off really easily. I purposely want the lines to be a little bit wonky, but I like how it gives a little color to the top. Nothing too complicated, just a simple, quick decorating. I feel like if I over decorate this, if I make it too complicated, then I'm much less likely to actually take the time to fill it out because I'm going to be less likely to actually decorate it. So a little washi tape, top and bottom, maybe an extra sticker here or there, but mostly leaving it open for writing. The other cool thing, the functional boxes within the Fall Gratitude sticker book will fit perfectly within these. So if there are certain days where you're like, oh, I didn't get to it this day and I don't want to go back, you can actually just put a box and decorate there, which I think is a really cool feature that Kellofaplan tends to do on most of her journals and planners and stuff, is that she coordinates the sizing of all the boxes, which is absolutely fantastic. One or two little decorative elements is all it takes just to add an extra little flair. I'm actually going to cut apart a floral sticker here at the top to have it kind of peeking out from the washi tape, and then I'm going to call it a day. It comes together really easily. I think you could set up this whole entire journal for the whole entire fall probably in 30-45 minutes. It just would not take very long. Then it's already decorated, ready to go, and you can like put it by your nightstand or maybe next to the coffee machine, somewhere where you're going to interact with each and every day. You grab the journal, you put your pen in the journal, and you're ready to start documenting, and it's just such a fabulous practice. All right, so once again, this box releases August the 8th. It will go fast. I promise you that. All of her seasonal boxes tend to go very quickly, so set your alarm. Go ahead and bookmark that affiliate link that I have in the description box of this video. Thank you so much in advance for shopping that link. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out. I am so very grateful for each and every one of my Patreon members. We have lots of great things happening this fall, including a month of organization here in August. So if you want to join us and get your space together, now is a great time. Head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.